the word is the most important thing in any form, either it is in printed form or in written form. The word is very important. But in the digital era, the word has to be processed properly so as to record it. Okay. These are the basics of word processing. Word processing is the operation by which written, verbal or recorded information is transformed into typewritten or printed form. A word processing system can produce a wide variety of documents including letters, memoranda and manuals rapidly and at relatively low cost. The precursor of the modern word processing system was developed in 1936. This device consisted of a kind of automatic typewriter called an autotypist that could store and reproduce simple documents. The autotypist used punched paper tape for its storage medium. In 1964, researchers at the International Business Machines Corporation called IBM produced the electric typewriter, a relatively high speed automatic typewriter that had a magnetic tape, data storage unit and retrieval device. The development of electronic digital mini computers and microcomputers during the late 1960s and 70s gave rise to faster word processing systems with greater capabilities. A typical advanced word processing system consists of a laser printer that is linked to a computer. In many such systems, the input terminal consists of an alphanumerical keyboard and a visual display composed of cathode ray tube CRT or LCD. The visual display enables the keyboard operator to input and also check, edit or revise the information to be entered. The text of the document, including all corrections, additions and deletions made by the keyboard operator, is recorded by the computer. When the final draft is ready, the operator prints as many copies of the document as required. The information can also be stored in the computer for later retrieval. Word processing software. Word processing software, sometimes called a word processor, allows users to create and manipulate documents containing mostly text and sometimes graphics. Millions of people use word processing software every day to develop documents, just letters, memos, reports, fax cover sheets, mailing labels, newsletters and web pages. The word processing software includes basic applications designed for casual or home users and powerful advanced applications capable of meeting the most demanding needs of professionals. All word processing software provides at least some basic capabilities to help users create and modify documents. Some of these features include the capability of changing the shape and size of characters, changing the color of characters, applying special effects such as 3-dimensional shadows and organizing text in newspaper style columns, defining the size of the paper on which to print and specifying the margins. Most word processing software allows users to incorporate many types of graphical images such as digital pictures and clip art in documents. A major advantage of using word processing software is that users easily can change what they have written. For example, a user can insert, delete or rearrange words, sentences, paragraphs or entire sections. Current word processing programs also have a feature that automatically corrects errors and makes word substitutions as users type text. For instance, when you type the abbreviation, the word processing software replaces the abbreviation with the phrase as soon as possible. Word processing software includes a spelling checker which reviews the spelling of the individual words, sections of a document or the entire document. The spelling checker compares the words in the document with an electronic dictionary that is part of the word processing software. Many word processing software applications are designed for use as part of a suite or integrated group of word processing, spreadsheet and presentation programs. For example, Microsoft Word, probably the most widely used processing software, is part of the Microsoft Office suite, which includes Microsoft's PowerPoint presentation program and Excel spreadsheet program. Corel WordPerfect, a less widely used but very popular word processing program, is part of CorelDRAW's WordPerfect Office suite, which includes Quattro Pro spreadsheet software and presentations multimedia slideshow software. Some word processing software is available as shareware for a relatively small fee or as freeware at no cost. For example, vid1, a basic fill in the blank word processor designed for people who do not want to deal with formatting tasks, is available as shareware. OpenOffice.org is a complete office suite that includes a powerful word processing program, Writer, which is intended as an open standard vendor neutral alternative to proprietary word processing programs. Most word processors include the same essential word processing functions and a variety of more advanced features for document production and formatting.